Imagine if your lights turned on by themselves when you walk into a room. Or if your fridge reminded you to buy milk. This is not science fiction. This is the Internet of Things, or IoT. In this video, I'll show you how smart devices connect, talk, and make life easier, in the simplest way you've ever seen. Stay tuned, you'll love this. Welcome to EduAIverse, where we make technology easy and fun. Today, we're talking about IoT, the Internet of Things. What is it? How does it work? And how is it changing the world around you? Let's break it down. No big tech words, just simple facts. What is IoT? IoT means smart devices that are connected to the internet and can talk to each other or to you. These devices collect and share information to make your life smarter and simpler. Easy examples of IoT you might know: 1. Smart lights that you can control with your phone. 2. Smartwatches that track your heart rate and steps. 3. Voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home that control other devices. 4. Smart doorbells that show you who's at the door, even when you're not home. How do these devices talk? Simple. All these devices connect through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile networks. They share tiny bits of data with apps or other devices. For example, your smartwatch sends data to your phone app so you can see how many steps you walked. Why IoT is useful? 1. Saves time. You can control things with your voice or phone. 2. Saves energy. Smart thermostats help cut your electricity bills. 3. Keeps you safe, like smart cameras and door locks. IoT versus normal devices. Simple comparison: normal devices work alone. IoT devices are like a team. They work together, share information, and respond to you in smart ways. Where you see IoT today: homes, hospitals like smart monitors for patients, farms like sensors for watering plants, factories machines that report problems by themselves. Conclusion: so, IoT is all about making everyday devices smarter, so they can help you, save you time, and keep you connected. And the cool part, IoT is growing fast, and soon even more things will be part of this smart world. If you enjoyed this easy guide to IoT, please hit that like button, leave a comment about your favorite smart device, and subscribe to EduAIverse for more simple tech explainers. Thanks for watching.